So I was doing some practice, just practice and understand also like how to write the code and what are the tasks perform like each method or like each objects.
Okay.
So doing that, I was doing like the call stack, how the call stacks works,
Yes.
and also call stacks too. Okay, callback.
Callstack where we discussed.
No, we did not discuss actually. Just for myself, actually trying to understand the concept, how things work. Just for myself.
Just I'm asking Callstack where we discussed.
We discussed or no?
Maybe I think so. Something like discussing about debugging. There we see something like option Callstack, right?
Constant,
Call
maybe.
stack is also one of the important one. So we can say it is one kind of technique or mechanism in the JavaScript actually. It will track the place, okay, related to the script.
Okay. Yeah. So okay, let me show you what I have done. So call stack. Yeah. So call stacks like I have the first arrow
Call
function.
callback.
This is the callback as well.
So did you take the call stack or callback?
This is the call stack.
Yeah. Okay. Continue.
Yeah, so the first one is like the first function, like
Yeah.
arrow function.
Okay.
Second one, the second arrow function, and third one is the third arrow function.
Yes.
So I checked like how the execution works,
Okay.
like how the process works.
Next.
So next, yeah, next one is let me see. Next one is the callback. Okay, callback used when we have the dependency to run something.
Yes.
So, like for instance, here, like delete color. Uh,
Okay.
Let me comment out. Okay. No worries, I can do it. So here I create a function mm, like the variable, like the delete color change. So the new color, like the on the arrow function, I initial like I took the variables here, like the values.
Yes.
So then like the set timeout. So set timeout like the I have tried like few things as well. Like the query selector H1, right? The style background is the new color. So
Yes.
I will be passing the color in future.
Okay.
So here is like the query selector. Is
Yes.
the this is the like ID tag, like the ID.
Okay.
So it's like the background is the new color too. Like so both will apply the same color, new color. And here is the delay. So that
Okay.
I took the delay variable so that I can control the like timeout or like the set timeout actually.
Okay.
So here I call the variable, call that functions. So delete color
Yes.
change. So I
Yeah.
pass the blue color. Here is the 1000 millisecond, which is the 1 second. So
Exactly.
here is the, yeah, another is like the arrow functions.
Yeah.
So here is like the I just call back like the same function and pass the difference value.
Okay.
So what it will do on the UI, it will at first it will appear the blue. It will display the blue, then green for 1 second, then yellow, cyan, then royal blue, tomato, like black, blue, green. Like those color will be displayed like 1 second each of them.
Okay.
So one question here, actually, I followed the classes from one of my instructor. They are like online classes, and I just practice and I understand like how things work. So my question is here: this thing I did not understand. Why we use the do next here, and what is that?
Do next. Mm.
Yeah,
So did you heard about next method
yeah.
where we discussed about?
We did not discuss, but maybe there is something like
Yeah,
next.
generally next is a method related to the kind of generators. So which will return the object with two properties and also the value.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the callback function that I practice, and also I was implementing is like the web API, how things work, the callback. Okay.
Yes.
So I was like following the like same classes just to understand how things work. So for the callback, okay, I
Yes.
have created a file. I took a variable like fake request callback. So here is like the parameters like URL success or failure.
Yes.
So here, like I have entered the like the delay. I took the delay variables, and here also like the math floor, like just for like getting the flat number, and also like is between 4,500 millisecond to 500 milliseconds. It will generate the random number between those two parameters
Yes.
range. So then like the set delay like failure, like if the delay is like greater than like 4,000 millisecond, then is the failure. If it's less than like that,
Yes.
or else, I mean the else, then is the fed data from URL, like it will be successful, something like that.
Okay.
So then he was showing me like how to differentiate, like what is the advantage of using the promise rather than like the regular callback function.
Yes.
So he took the another function here. So what's the different here, like the here we have to pass only one parameter, like for instance as you see here, right,
Yes.
the URL success or failure, but we don't have to do the success or failure.
Yes.
We just passing one parameter, which is the URL. So here is the arrow function and return the new promise, resolve or reject that we discussed yesterday. So here again the same concept, like if the delay is like greater than 4,000 millisecond, then it's like the rejected, or is the less than that, here is the data, like the data will be shown on delay here.
Okay.
So here, so what I have done, I just implemented the first one, like callback request. Okay, here. Uh, for instance, the fake request callback that I created the function above, right? So I'm passing the URL and also the like the next parameter I'm taking the functions. So it worked, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And the console the response,
Yeah.
and fake request callback is the another. Oh, okay. No, this one was the second one actually. 1 second. Um, yeah, until this, those are like the nested one actually. Like if the success, then I again like the another callback.
Yes.
If the success, then another callback.
Yeah.
So the thing is like if the first call is the success, then we'll run the second call. If the success, then it will run the third call. If it's
Oh.
the fail, then it will exit.
Okay.
So I just completed like how the callbacks works and what are the implementation in the real time. Like for instance, like we can use this on the web API, like when we calling the, like when you're using the API key or something like that, maybe that will be the real time use.
Yeah.
So here I just started the promise, like I did not complete it. So I just started with the promise.
Okay.
So yeah, and I'm stuck on there. So like yeah, I will continue after the classes, like how the promise work and what is the difference between the callback and promise exactly and how it works.
Yeah. Fine. So like now you are able to you are able to understand the callbacks. Okay. Async and
Yeah,
wait. Okay.
yeah, callback